Here's I'm going to show you how to stop kids downloading games from Play Store in Samsung Galaxy A16. Go to your Play Store and tap on your profile photo, tap on settings, tap on family, and tap on parental controls, and just enable parental controls. Create a pin for your parental control. Retype the pin. Here tap on apps and games and select only rated for 3 plus. Understood. Tap on save. And now I'm going to searching for a game. Let's search for PUBG. And here we can't see the PUBG game. So that's how you can actually block or stop kids downloading games from Play Store. Thanks for watching.